Starting off, I will be using this ponytail as a half wig, and everything that I use will be put in the description box below, but I'm just gonna clip that in the top and then to the back, and then I'm just gonna take some bobby pins to make sure that this feels as secure as I want it to be. Next, I'm going to take this braiding hair and create a ponytail out of it so that I can add that to my little bun on the top. Now to make my bun, I really just had to play around with the hair a little bit, and you're going to see right about here is when I finally kind of realized how I wanted to do it. So I really just took one side of the hair and I started to play with that first, and I made the base of my bun, and then I took the other side and wrapped it around so that it would be the perfect size for my head shape. Now I'm just securing the bun with a couple of bobby pins, sorry, to make sure that this stays secure and that my bun isn't going anywhere. Guys, I slept with this style in for about a week, and this bun did not move. It was perfectly secure. The biggest thing with this style is just making sure that you take time to cover up all of those little pieces of hair. And my base was a bunch of little ponytails in order to make this style work. So I just have to make sure that the ponytails on the side, that they're not showing. And I went back in because I realized after I recorded this video that the one on my right side wasn't covered as much as I would have liked it to be. Like right there is when I kind of noticed it, but it just wasn't as covered as I wanted it to be. And yeah, just play around with it and make sure that you place the hair and then bobby pin it so that it is covering your real hair. But when you are trying to do these styles on your short natural hair, you just have to be creative and have a little patience and just play around. But this is a super fun and quick and easy style that only takes about 5-10 minutes to do. So once again, make sure you check the description box below for all of the products that I used. And this is what the back of the hair looks like. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.